Hey there, I'm Rochelle Ray, head of AEC Marketing Innovation here at Open Asset, and you are tuned in to another episode of the Proposal Pulse. Today we're talking about when to avoid using AI in proposal writing. Now, I use AI in almost every proposal. It's amazing, fantastic, but it is not a magic solution. So here's when I don't rely on AI and why you shouldn't either. Number one, when you're drafting your win themes. Win themes underpin your entire proposal. These should be hyper-personalized to your firm and rooted in a strategy. So before you just hit generate and expect the AI to come up with something great, don't. It's most likely going to dilute the messaging or provide a really generic response, even with good prompting and context. So while you can use AI as a sounding board, if you're completely stuck on your win themes, you're still going to have human oversight and intervention to really nail them. Number two, cover letters and executive summaries. Strong cover letters and executive summaries should reference specific client concerns, project priorities, past relationships. These are things that AI can't fully understand. And while AI can generate a framework for these, the win themes and value propositions that are going to win us the work have to be crafted by a human speaking to another human. So we have to do a lot of strategy and differentiation and persuasive storytelling in these sections that AI-generated context or text kind of lacks. Good prompting and the right context can get you started, but ultimately these sections, which are arguably the most important and most likely to be read in full of your entire proposal, need significant human intervention. Number three, project understanding and approach. AI can help structure responses based on past proposals, but tailoring that approach to the specific site conditions, the scope, the challenges, constraints, that requires input from our subject matter experts. And I know, it is tempting when our SMEs are absent from the proposal process, but we can't just use AI to draft a technical approach and hope that it's okay, because we don't really know what we're looking at. We do, but we don't. So instead, we need to think about it as a starting point that can allow us to highlight specific sections that we need to draw our SME's attention to for consideration, but we still need them as that human in the loop, human intervention to really nail this section. Number four, partner and sub-consultant information. You absolutely have to be accurate and often need pre-approval from your partners when you're using their information about role or qualifications. And again, it can be really tempting to use AI to whip something up if they haven't sent their materials to you on time, but AI can misstep here, and because you don't have extensive knowledge of who they are or what they do, you likely won't have the knowledge that you need to catch an error in what the AI has produced. Number five, compliance and forms. This is something that AI can assist with, but it needs verification, right? AI can fill out standard forms like SF330s and DBE and safety compliance, but it doesn't understand things like don't edit this form. So it doesn't always follow strict formatting or language or form field requirements. It can misinterpret legal or contractual language. And so any signature-ready documents need human review for accuracy. Number six, visuals and formatting. Again, AI assisted, but it really needs oversight because AI can generate tables and charts and layouts and even really incredible images, but it can't verify that all of those graphics align with your brand standards. It can't confirm that those infographics effectively convey technical concepts, and it can't make the final formatting accessible and client-friendly and visually appealing. Which brings me to number seven. Don't use AI when another tool works just fine. AI isn't always the best tool. It's just the newest and the buzziest. But we don't need a flamethrower to toast a marshmallow, right? If it's something that another tool already does really well, like formatting or reviewing grammar, just use that other tool. You don't need to throw it into a ChatGPT or a Claude, right? These tips aren't so much don't use AI as they are knowing when to bring the human back into the loop. AI will get you 80% of the way, but that last 20% is really where we win or lose. So don't rely on AI to do all of the thinking for you. As always, thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips have been helpful. If you want more, head on over to openasset.com. Otherwise, we'll see you next time for another episode of the Proposal Pulse.